Here we are at Willaston Level Crossing in Cheshire, Matthew Haynes and Derek Holmes. Right, time now is 15:12 on Sunday the 1st of September 2024. And this is for your 1509 5 Zulu 50 locomotive service from Hereford Diesel Sidings to Crewe HS. And this will obviously go slower because due to that Shrewsbury Crewe train that was in front, like on the last closure. Could you go on camera please? Just in case mine runs out of memory. Which hopefully it won't. Goodness me, that skirt right there. Yeah, goodness me. Maybe don't put your camera over the barrier because I don't want you dropping it, please. God, if phones could fit under the barrier, goodness me, I'm surprised they could fit. Oh, here's something. Oh, wait, oh, here it is. We got, thank you. Double pass. 197 unknown. Oh, there you go. I don't know what those 247s were.
It was a 40 on the back. It was 40. No,
yeah, but 40013. And what's that 47?
Couldn't catch it.
Hold on. Let's just see on RTT. Hold on a sec, guys. Let me go back on RTT. Okay. I'll just see what that. Oh, okay, so that was for our 1516 transport hire service from Manchester Piccadilly to Milford Haven and Pembroke Dock. Let me just see what that was formed of. That was formed of 197021 and 197047, and let me just see what was that 40 number again?
40013.
40013, and let me just check what that 47 number was. Okay. Oh, I don't know. Right. Thanks guys, we'll see you next video.